Jack Dorsey just fired half of Block's workforce, 4,000 people gone in one stroke. And his reasoning? This isn't about money problems. This is about AI making humans obsolete. And he thinks your company is doing this shit next year. So Block went from over 10,000 employees down to just under 6,000. Wall Street fucking loves it. Shares jumped 24% after hours. But here's what caught my attention. Dorsey explicitly said this wasn't financial distress. Block's gross profit grew 24% last quarter. They're making money hand over fist. This was purely about what he calls intelligence tools. The dude's basically copying Elon's Twitter playbook. Remember when Musk slashed Twitter's staff by 50% back in 2022? Same energy, same reasoning. Dorsey's been fanboying over Musk for years, and now he's putting his money where his mouth is. But here's the kicker. Dorsey says, quote, "Within the next year, I believe the majority of companies will reach the same conclusion. Translation, your job might be next." He's claiming a significantly smaller team using AI tools can do more and do it better. Now, I'm skeptical of corporate bullshit, but the market reaction tells a story. If you can frame layoffs as AI transformation and get a 24% stock bump, every CEO is taking notes right now. The question isn't whether this trend continues, it's how fast other companies follow suit. The playbook is written. AI gives cover for what used to be called cost cutting. Whether that's actually true or just convenient, well, we're about to find out.